One day, a very wealthy father took his young son on a journey, not for fun, not for business, but to show him how poor people live. They spent a few days on a small countryside farm, no luxury, no guards, just open land and open hearts. On their way back home, the father asked gently, "So, how was the trip?" The boy smiled. "It was great, Dad." "Did you see how poor people live?" the father asked. The boy nodded and said, "Yes." Then he added, "We have one dog. They have four. We have a swimming pool that ends in our garden. They have a river that never ends. We turn on lights at night. They look at the stars. We live behind walls to feel safe. They live with friends who protect them." The father stayed silent. Then the boy looked up and said softly, "Thank you, Dad, for showing me how poor we are. Because true wealth is not money. It's love, unity, care, and contentment.